Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Melissa Crafter, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I easily customize this reusable Starbucks code cup using Teck wrap vinyl. If that is something that you're interested in, please continue watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I do upload a new video every week. Thank you so much for watching. Before we begin, I want to show you the vinyl that I'm using in this video. I am using Teck Wrap's new bubble-free mirror chrome adhesive vinyl. These vinyls have a new technology of air channels underneath the vinyl that help prevent bubbles from forming when you are placing your decals on any surface. I do have a discount code with Teck Wrap. You can use promo code MelissaCrafter10 at checkout to save. I will put the link for these vinyls down below in the video description, and I'll also put my discount code there. Here I have already cut out my decal using my Cricut Explore Air 2. These type of vinyls can be cut with any type of cutting machine. I purchased this SVG cut file from Etsy, and it is already pre-sized to fit my 24-ounce reusable code cup from Starbucks. Now that I have my decal already cut out, I'm going to go ahead and weed out my decal, removing the excess vinyl using my Teck Wrap weeding pen. This weeding pen does have a sharp stainless steel tip that allows precise weeding. I'm first going in and removing that big piece of excess vinyl, and then I'm going to go and remove the small fine cuts. I am now going to take a piece of transfer tape that is the same size as my decal here, and I'm going to place it on top. Transfer tape that I'm using is Teck Wrap matte transfer tape. After removing the vinyl backing, my decal is now ready to be placed on my cup. So here's the cup that I'm going to be using. It is a 24-ounce reusable code cup from Starbucks. You can purchase these cups at any Starbucks location for $3. I did wipe my cup down with an alcohol prep pad just to be sure that my vinyl had a good surface to adhere well onto. I'm now going to try to center this directly in the middle using the Starbucks logo as my guide. Once I find that center spot, I'm going to adhere that middle part first using my fingers, and then I'm using my whole hand. I'm going to just continue to press down along the sides all the way around my cup. So here I'm using my hand as well as my squeegee here to press down on my vinyl to make sure it adheres on well to my cup. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove my transfer tape. So here I did place my decal a little bit lower than I should have, causing some of these leopard prints to overlap on this bottom line that these Starbucks cups have. This is an easy fix. I'm just going to take my X-Acto knife and cut that extra little piece off of each of the leopard prints. And here is how my cup turned out. I really enjoyed being able to apply this decal with a bubble-free application using this bubble-free mirror chrome adhesive vinyl from Teck Wrap. If you are someone who struggles with getting bubbles on your decals, so definitely check out this vinyl. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I do upload a new video every week. Thank you so much for watching.